almost 90 minutes. But I'm gonna show you the view of the train. But before that, let me show you the train. We are currently in first class seat right now, and yeah. This is my sister and my mom. Say hi. Hello. My sister doesn't not like ginger. But look, there is a fan and the other fan. The room is pretty cold. I'm not gonna lie. It's really cold. And there is my other sister, just watching the view, the beautiful view. Like sugar. But look, there's my mom's purse and there's the sofa. Help me, please. It is pretty cool. I don't know why my sister is just spamming help me, please. But time to show you the view. Oh my god, this train is so shaky. By the way, this is sister train. Oh, and by the way, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe please. And my birthday, I'm pretty sure is like in 8 or 9 days. So maybe my birthday present of you guys is liking the video and subscribing. Look, there are animals in here. Oh, and we are almost to 500 subscribers, so subscribe right now. And follow me on Roblox. Sorry, and follow me on Roblox. My user is AdnanBlox58. ADNANBLOX58. Yeah. And no capital letters. User is Nafi. So you gotta see this. Why there are freaking jungle in here? Okay, I might live in Bangladesh, but I never saw this. What the? Look, there's a cow eating. Hello. Okay. Oh, another cow. Yo, there is a lot of cows. I'm pretty sure we are in the grams right now.
Village.
I'm in village. And I'm pretty sure the Bengalis call it gram, I don't know why. But yeah. Wait, this is the good view. Let me show you the good view. Hi. Yeah.
No, this is small.
Yeah.
It's so small.
Yeah, it's small.
Whoa, it's small this.
There is flowers, cows, and everything.
Yes.
What the? Okay.
Oh,
Now let me show you
it's too. How?
Yeah.
Oh, look.
Oh, sorry. The Bengalis call the cows Goru. Yeah. The Bengalis call the cows Goru. The goats Chagol. The sheep Hera. Okay, so bye, and we are almost in 500 subscribers. So subscribe.